Oldies Station.
You know what? We're gonna do this video a little different. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be short, and it's gonna be spicy. Just like my first sexual encounter. Emphasis on short. 1969 Dodge Dart GTS 340. And this thing is gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
As the name implies, it has a 340 cubic inch V8 with a compression ratio of 10.5 to 1, and it was rated 275 horsepower. But of course, that was slightly underrated, and if you ask a Mopar fanboy, they'll tell you it actually makes about 600 or 700 horsepower, second only to the Hemi, which made about 1,000 horsepower. Inside, you'll find a 3-speed automatic transmission, and then out back is an aggressive set of 430 rear gears. And then rounding out the statistics, the weight with driver is 3,626 pounds, and that has this entire package saying, "I'm coming for you, big block Mopars, so you can suck it. You can suck it long and hard." 1969 Chevrolet Nova Supersport 396. But this one isn't any run-of-the-mill 396. This one's an L78. We're talking compression ratio 11 to 1, and it was rated 375 horsepower. And just like the Dart, it was quite underrated. Ask a Chevrolet fan, minimum 1,000 horsepower, maybe 12 or 1,300 horsepower. It just depends on how much they've had to drink. And just like the Dart, inside you'll find a 3-speed automatic transmission, and this one was unique to the L78. It had a higher stall torque converter, heavy-duty flex plate, stronger clutch packs, valve body adjusted to shift at 6,400 RPM, but you guys really don't care. I mean, I know you're all just here for the money shot, so let's move on. Rear gearing is 410, so if this thing can hook, it's going to be a rocket off the line. And then the weight with driver is only 3,410 pounds. Let's check out that race.
Songs, you can remember where you were the first time you heard them, who you were with, what you were doing, what you were thinking, and most importantly, how you felt. We are Cool 101, Kalamazoo's true oldies station.
And in this single heads-up race, the Nova takes the win, running 12.57 seconds at 111.69 miles per hour. And in the other lane, the Dart ran 13.01 seconds at 104.14 miles per hour. A huge thanks to both of the owners for bringing out these cars. It was absolutely awesome seeing them on the drag strip. I'll catch you guys at the next one.